Hello! Have you ever heard people talking about AI and just thought, that stuff's too complicated for me? Well, today we are going to change that. We're going to break it down, nice and simple. Show you how anyone, and I mean anyone in Uganda can start learning about artificial intelligence, right from zero. You don't need any tech background, really. So, let's just jump right in.
So, yeah, this is the big question, isn't it? How can you learn AI from zero, right here in Uganda? Especially if you don't feel like a tech genius. Well, let me tell you, the answer is so much simpler than you might think. Honestly, the only thing you need, the only thing, is to just be curious.
All right, so here is our plan for this explainer. It's simple. First, we'll look at what AI is and what it's not. Then we'll see how it's already an everyday tool for us here in Uganda. After that, I'll share 3 easy steps for you to start. And finally, we will talk about why starting now is so important. A nice, clear plan to get you on your way. Okay, let's jump straight into section 1. AI, not what you think. You see, the first thing we have to do is clear up some confusion. Because when you hear AI, what comes to mind? For many people, it's movies, robots and all that complicated stuff. But that's not really what we're talking about here. So look at this. On the left, we have what learning AI is not. It's not about building robots, it's not about writing some crazy complex code, and you definitely don't have to become a programmer. No. On the right, that's what it is. It's a simple tool, it's about understanding what you can do with it, and it's for everyone. Yes, everyone.
So, what does learning AI actually mean then? It's simple, really. It just means you understand what these tools can do, you know how to use them, and then you use them. You use them to save time, maybe learn things faster, or even to earn some money. It's all about what it can do for you in your real life.
All right, now for our next section, an everyday Ugandan tool. And, this might surprise you, but I can almost guarantee you are already using AI every single day, even if you don't know it.
Think about it. When you use Face Unlock on your phone.
Or what about when you start typing in Google and it finishes your sentence for you?
And YouTube, how does it always seem to recommend the perfect next video for you to watch?
Well, guess what? All of that, this is already AI. You see? You're already using it. The only thing we're doing now is learning to use it on purpose.
So who is this actually for in Uganda? Is it just for some special people? No, not at all. It's for students trying to understand their schoolwork. It's for teachers who want to create amazing lesson plans. For content creators, for business owners trying to grow, for people looking for jobs. Honestly, it's for anyone with a phone. If you have a phone, this is for you.
And I really love this quote. You don't need to be bright. You need to be curious. This is the whole point. It's not about how many exams you passed. It's about having that little voice inside you that asks why or how. If you're curious, you have everything you need to start.
Okay, so hopefully you are feeling curious now. The big question is, what do you do next? Well, in this section, we're getting very practical. I'm going to give you 3 simple steps to start your journey, like today.
And here they are, just 3 simple steps. Step 1, understand the basics. Hey, you're already doing that just by watching this. Step 2, use AI to learn. And Step 3, practice with your daily tasks. That's it. See? Nothing complicated here.
Now let's talk a bit more about Step 2, because this one is a real game changer. I want you to imagine something. Imagine you have a personal teacher, right? One who is available anytime, day or night. A teacher who has endless patience and will never ever get tired of your questions or think any question is silly. Well, that is exactly what AI can be, your own personal learning partner. And here is a very powerful trick you can use. You can actually tell the AI how you want it to explain things. You can just type something like, explain this like I'm a beginner in Uganda, and it will. It will take a big, complex idea and break it down for you, using simple language, maybe even examples from right here at home. It's an amazing way to learn, truly.
Okay, and then for Step 3, you just have to practice. And you start small, with things you do every day. Maybe you need to write an important message or an email. Ask AI to help you make it sound more professional. Or you want to plan some content for your business page. Ask it for ideas. You can even use it to improve your English. You just start using it for these small things, and soon you'll see how useful it is.
And this brings us to our last section. And this one is really important. Start now, lead tomorrow. Because this is bigger than just a tool. This is about our future. Uganda's AI journey is really just beginning, and this is your chance to be part of it from the very start.
You know, it can be easy to look at people abroad and think, oh, we are so far behind, but I want you to stop thinking like that. That's the wrong way to look at it. Uganda is not late. We are right at the beginning. And being at the beginning, that is a place of amazing opportunity.
Because think about this. Those who start now will teach others tomorrow. It's so true. The people who take that first step today, the ones who get curious, you will be the ones showing your friends, your family, your community how to use these tools. You will be the leaders.
So, I'm going to leave you with one final question to think about. After all this, when you're ready to try, what is the first thing you are going to ask your new learning partner? Just think about it. Because your whole AI journey, it all starts with that one single question.